In this video, you will learn how to park on the hill and pass your road test. So let's start from how to point your wheels. You will need to turn your wheels in direction that prevent your vehicle from moving into the path of traffic if the brake fail. This means you will need to turn the wheels definitely depending on whether you are standing uphill or downhill. Okay, so how does it work when you're parking downhill and there's a curve? When you're parking facing downhill with the curve, turn your wheels to the curve and set your parking brake. Now when you are parking uphill, turn your steering wheels away from the curve. Let your vehicle roll back and gently touch the curb. Set your parking brake. And what if you are parking a yard without the curb? Turn your vehicle roll away from the center of the road if the brake fail. Remember, the direction you turn your wheels depend on whether you are going uphill or downhill and whether there is a curve. By following these steps, you will become a hill parking pro and will be prepared for your road test. Thanks for tuning in today's video on hill parking. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and guide. Drive safe and stay confident out there on the road.